everybody, Christina here with Fred Anderson Toyota, and today we are talking about our accessories department. Now in this department, it gives you the option to accessorize your vehicle exactly the way you want it, something we specialize here at the dealership. Now this video is to show all of you at home how we accessorized a 2021 Tundra TRD Pro in Lunar Rock. You're gonna love it. On this specific Tundra, we added in a lift kit, tri-fold tonneau cover, automatic running boards, new tires, and we also removed the badging. Now let's look at the installation process and talk with the experts here at Fred Anderson Toyota who make your visions become a reality.
Tell me about the kit in general. Done a lot of them?
Kit in general, we've done 5, 6. We've done 6 of these kits.
Okay.
Basically what we do is we replace the rear shackles on the springs. It gives you a lift there. These are your outer tie rod ends. This corrects camber curve and bump steer. These brackets right here, they go behind the bumper. Push the bumper out forward some so you can fit bigger tires on there and they won't rub. Wheel spacers so the tires stick out a little bit further. And these are just brackets for the lower skid plate. And then spacers up here. This is basically what gives you a lift in the front.
Very cool.
And that's about it.
Good kit, quality, top notch?
It actually, yeah, it is. It really is. It's probably the best kit we've ever put on a vehicle.
And it's built with the Pro in mind?
It is built just for the Pro. It's
wow.
not made for a non-Pro car like a TRD off-road or anything like that. It's
right.
specifically for the Pro.
Awesome.
Search running board, main module. You have your wire harnessing that leads down to your driver's side running board, supplying that with power. Harness all the way across the engine compartment bay, down to your passenger side running board, supplying this particular running board with power. Engages with the door being open. Door closed. Picks it back up.
How many of these do you do?
I do quite a few a year.
Quite a few a year?
Yeah.
Reasonable to do? Not bad?
Not bad.
Cool.
Little tedious.
A little tedious, but
Installation takes a while to do because I'm neat with my harnessing, so
yeah.
Running the harness is the main part of the install.
Amp is a pretty solid brand though, eh?
Yes. Yeah.
Very cool. Awesome. Thanks, Gear. Looks great, man.
Hi, Monty. Today we're doing a bed liner, tough bed liner for this Tundra Pro. And yeah, this is the first step of the process. Removing the door, getting rid of these little grommets, and taking this panel off. Now I'm getting ready to stand this on there, tape it off.
How long something like this take?
2 hours.
2 hours? Cool.
Yeah,
What is there a product you're using for the bed liner specifically?
Yes, tough.
Tough?
Yep.
Top notch?
Top notch.
Now remember, we offer a wide range of accessories here at Fred Anderson Toyota. We can install running boards, lift kits, mud guards, wireless charging stations, body side molding, new wheels and tires, and virtually anything that you can think of. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let us know how we can help you customize your car, truck, or SUV. Now remember, it may be a car you've had for years, it may be a new car that you've just bought. Either way, we can help you. Let us help you make it your own. See you soon!